Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I am going to start Unit 2 of the JKSSB Female Supervisor Examination. Let's learn some important MCQs focusing on Unit 2, which is about gender inequalities and issues. For MCQs on more topics, subscribe to my YouTube channel. The subscription link is provided in the description. Let us try to solve important MCQs one by one from the topic gender inequalities and issues. Question 1. What is the term for the societal expectations and norms associated with being male or female? A. Gender bias. B. Gender identity. C. Gender stereotypes. D. Gender inequality. The correct answer for question 1 is option C. Gender stereotypes. Question 2. In India, what is the legal age for marriage for women according to the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act? A. 18 years. B. 20 years. C. 21 years. D. 25 years. The correct answer for question 2 is option A. 18 years. Question 3. Which constitutional amendment in India provides for the reservation of seats for women in local bodies such as panchayats and municipalities? A. 73rd Amendment. B. 74th Amendment. C. 86th Amendment. D. 92nd Amendment. The correct answer for question 3 is option A. 73rd Amendment. Question 4. What is the term for the elimination of discrimination and ensuring equal opportunities and outcomes for individuals regardless of their gender? A. Gender equality. B. Gender bias. C. Gender disparity. D. Gender injustice. The correct answer for question 4 is option A. Gender equality. Question 5. In the context of gender issues, what does the term glass ceiling refer to? A. A physical barrier. B. An invisible barrier to career advancement for women. C. A discriminatory legal practice. D. A traditional cultural norm. The correct answer for question 5 is option B. An invisible barrier to career advancement for women. Question 6. Which social reformer played a crucial role in advocating for the rights and education of women in India during the 19th century? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Mahatma Gandhi. The correct answer for question 6 is option B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Question 7. Which term is used for the practice of aborting a fetus based on its sex, often leading to a skewed sex ratio in certain regions? A. Female infanticide. B. Prenatal discrimination. C. Sex-selective abortion. D. Gendercide. The correct answer for question 7 is option C. Sex-selective abortion. Question 8. What government initiative in India focuses on promoting the welfare of the girl child by addressing issues such as female feticide and education? A. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. B. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. C. Make in India. D. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. The correct answer for question 8 is option A. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. Question 9. Which article in the Indian Constitution ensures equality before the law and prohibits discrimination based on gender? A. Article 14. B. Article 15. C. Article 16. D. Article 17. The correct answer for question 9 is option B. Article 15. Question 10. Which legislation criminalized sexual harassment at the workplace in India? A. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POSCO Act. B. Dowry Prohibition Act. C. Maternity Benefit Act. D. Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act. The correct answer for question 10 is option D. Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace, Prevention, Prohibition and Redressal Act. Question 11. Under which legislation is the act of dowry, its exchange, or acceptance prohibited, aiming to prevent its exploitative consequences on brides and their families? A. Dowry Prohibition Act. B. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POSCO Act. C. Maternity Benefit Act. D. Domestic Violence Act. The correct answer for question 11 is option A. Dowry Prohibition Act. Question 12. Which social campaign aims to eradicate the practice of dowry and raise awareness about its harmful consequences? A. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. B. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. C. Say No to Dowry. D. Daughters Are Precious. The correct answer for question 12 is option D. Daughters Are Precious. Question 13. What is the term for the unequal treatment of women and men in the workplace, often in terms of salary, promotions, and opportunities? A. Gender bias. B. Gender discrimination. C. Gender disparity. D. Glass ceiling. The correct answer for question 13 is option B. Gender discrimination. Question 14. Which organization in India works towards the empowerment and rights of women, addressing issues such as violence, discrimination, and economic disparities? A. National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. C. National Commission for Women, NCW. D. Niti Aayog. The correct answer for question 14 is option C. National Commission for Women, NCW. Question 15. In the context of women's rights, what does the term triple talaq refer to? A. A form of dowry. B. A type of child marriage. C. A practice of instant divorce in Muslim marriages. D. A method of female infanticide. The correct answer for question 15 is option C. A practice of instant divorce in Muslim marriages. Question 16. Which government initiative focuses on improving the nutritional and health status of pregnant and lactating mothers in India? A. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. B. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. C. Jan Dhan Yojana. D. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. The correct answer for question 16 is option B. Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. Question 17. What term is used for the act of killing a female infant shortly after birth, often due to cultural preferences for male children? A. Female infanticide. B. Female feticide. C. Maternal mortality. D. Gender-based violence. The correct answer for question 17 is option A. Female infanticide. Question 18. Which organization in India works towards the promotion and protection of women's rights, addressing issues such as domestic violence and gender-based discrimination? A. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B. National Human Rights Commission, NHRC. C. National Commission for Women, NCW. D. Niti Aayog. The correct answer for question 18 is option C. National Commission for Women, NCW. Question 19. What does the term maternity leave refer to in the context of workplace policies? A. Leave for fathers. B. Leave for adopting parents. C. Leave for pregnant employees. D. Leave for elder care. The correct answer for question 19 is option C. Leave for pregnant employees. Question 20. In the Indian context, what is the legal age for voting for both men and women? A. 16 years. B. 18 years. C. 21 years. D. 25 years. The correct answer for question 20 is option B. 18 years. Question 21. Which government initiative focuses on promoting women's self-help groups, empowering them through financial inclusion and skill development? A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. B. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. C. National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, Narega. D. Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Antyodaya Yojana. The correct answer for question 22 is option A. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. Question 22. In the context of gender issues, what is the term for the act of giving birth to a child at home without the presence of qualified medical professionals? A. Homeopathy. B. Homeostasis. C. Home delivery. D. Homeopathy. The correct answer for question 22 is option C. Home delivery. Question 23. What is the primary focus of the One Stop Center (OSC) scheme launched by the Indian government? A. Financial assistance for women entrepreneurs. B. Legal aid and counseling for women affected by violence. C. Maternal health care services. D. Skill development for rural women. The correct answer for question 23 is option B. Legal aid and counseling for women affected by violence. Question 24. Which social reformer advocated for women's education and played a key role in the establishment of the first school for girls in India? A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. C. Swami Vivekananda. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The correct answer for question 24 is option B. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Question 25. What term is used for the act of deliberately killing a woman for bringing dishonor to the family, often due to perceived violations of cultural norms? A. Female infanticide. B. Honor killing. C. Bride burning. D. Female genital mutilation. The correct answer for question 25 is option B. Honor killing. Question 26. Which legislation addresses the issue of sexual harassment and assault against women and children and provides for the establishment of special courts for speedy trials? A. Dowry Prohibition Act. B. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POSCO Act. C. Maternity Benefit Act. D. Domestic Violence Act. The correct answer for question 26 is option B. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, POSCO Act. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.